In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your tables look seamless by setting the table border width to 0 points in a Word document. This simple adjustment can significantly improve the visual appeal of your documents, making your tables blend perfectly with the surrounding text. Whether you're preparing a report, a presentation, or a document you're particularly proud of, knowing how to control table boundaries can make all the difference. First, you'll want to open your document and navigate to the table you'd like to adjust. Click inside the table to ensure it's selected. Clicking anywhere within the table will automatically highlight it. Once you've done that, hover your mouse over the highlighted area and right-click. This will open a context menu with a variety of options tailored to table editing. In this menu, you need to look for the option labeled Table Options and click on it. This will prompt a new window or drop-down that contains various customization features for your table. The section we're interested in is labeled Color. This is where you have the flexibility to play around with how your table interacts visually with the rest of the document. Within the Color section, you'll find settings to adjust the appearance of your table's borders. One of these settings is the table border width, which dictates how thick or thin your table borders appear. Set the table border width to 0 pt. This adjustment effectively removes any visible borders from around the table, creating a seamless look that integrates the table content smoothly with the document. This is particularly handy when you want the focus to be solely on the data within your table and not on its structure. Once you've made this change, you'll need to click OK to apply it. By clicking OK, you ensure that the alterations you've made are set in place and will be visible in your document as intended. This final step is crucial because it commits your changes. If you forget this step, your borders will remain unchanged, disrupting the visual flow of your document. Throughout this process, it's also helpful to take a moment to review your document to ensure that the tables now look the way you want them to, blending neatly with your text and other content. Adjusting the table borders to 0 points can be especially beneficial in professional settings where clean, minimalist design is key. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to make tables in your Word documents appear borderless and polished. This little trick can lead to significant improvements in how your document is perceived, lending it a more professional and streamlined look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your document design skills.